Video I show you how to fix Telegram message not sent problem or Telegram message not sending. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Telegram, click on Telegram. Now update to Telegram app if available in update version. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Scroll down or you can search for Telegram. Click on Telegram, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then click on manage space. Now open Telegram app. Now message someone. Now I hope that this method fix Telegram message not sent or Telegram message not sending problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.